Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 4375 watt RV-ready portable generator with CO shield is an impressive piece of machinery, particularly for those who enjoy camping or require a reliable power source during emergencies. From the moment you unbox it, the construction quality stands out. The durable steel frame and robust wheels offer great mobility, making it easy to transport to your desired location. One of the standout features of this generator is its CO shield technology, which provides an added layer of safety. This feature automatically shuts down the generator if it detects high levels of carbon monoxide, ensuring peace of mind for users. This is especially important when using the generator in enclosed spaces, such as RVs or during power outages at home. With a starting wattage of 4375 and a running wattage of 3500, this generator is more than capable of powering essential appliances, including refrigerators, microwaves, and lights. The dual-fuel capability allows you to run it on either gasoline or propane, adding flexibility based on your needs and availability of fuel. The easy-to-use control panel includes multiple outlets, making it convenient to connect various devices simultaneously. Noise level is often a concern with generators, but the Champion 4375 watt model operates relatively quietly compared to its competitors. This is a significant advantage, especially for camping trips where excessive noise can disrupt the serene environment. The runtime is impressive as well. It can run up to 12 hours on a full tank of gasoline at 50% load. This long runtime reduces the need for frequent refueling, allowing for uninterrupted power supply during your adventures. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment 4375 watt RV-ready portable generator combines safety, versatility, and efficiency. It is an excellent investment for outdoor enthusiasts and homeowners alike, offering reliable performance and the reassurance of advanced safety features. Whether for camping or emergency use, this generator proves to be a worthy companion.